Hello and welcome to episode number 111 of Super Califanilistic. My name is Christian Rauchenwald and today I'm going to show you how you can set up your products within Clickfunnels. So let's switch to my MacBook and walk you through it. There we go. So when you're within Clickfunnels, within your funnel, you need a so-called order form step or an upsell or downsell step. We're going to quickly create one of those. OTO demo. OTO demo. So because only those steps can actually contain products that people can buy. So your sales page step is basically just to pitch people something, but you actually need either an order form or an upsell or downsell step in order to be able to add products to it. So here you can filter, for example, for upsell in that case, and then pick one of the predefined templates, which you can then either completely erase and create your own template from scratch, or you can use it and just modify it so it saves you some time. Now that said, the whole magic actually happens in the product section. So you pick your order form, for example, and you go to the product section. Now here, one crucial thing, if you have an order bump and you have multiple products, the order bump product needs to be the last product that you add to your funnel in this section. So you start by saying add product, and then you have to pick your payment integrations. In my case, I've integrated PayPal, Recurly, and Stripe. And the difference pretty much is with PayPal and Recurly, you can only have subscription and one-time payments, whereas Stripe also allows you payment plans. For that, it will use a subscription payment, but then limit the amounts of payments. So meaning like it will just cancel the subscription after, for example, 4 payments. Now that said, for subscription payments, or for payment plan payments, there's also something very important to notice. You need to create them in Stripe already. So you need to create a product in Stripe and then add the subscription there. And then you can select the subscription here within your Clickfunnels account. I'm not going to walk you through that in this video, but I'm going to show you how it looks within Clickfunnels once you've created the subscription in Stripe as well. So if we were to create a subscription payment, we select Stripe and subscription here, for example, and we simply go to Save and Next, which is then where we can give our products a name, demo product, and we can override the price, meaning like what people will see on the page. I don't know, 197 per month should be shown on the page. And here you can then select from the subscription plans that you have in your Stripe account. Now, mine are not named properly here, so they don't reflect the price. So it's a little bit a guessing game. And here you can then override what's visible on the card, demo transaction, and that's pretty much it. And now we say for that part, we actually say save and close, just to highlight you how it will look like. Again, it takes us back to the order form and we need to go to the products tab again. And you will see it will tell us here, that's the actual plan that we have assigned, although that's the price that I've overwritten. So on the order page, it will show $197 per month, although it actually will only charge $47 every month. Now, if you were to have a payment plan, it's the same thing, just on the page where you add the name and select the subscription, there will be another field that allows you to enter after how many payments the subscription should be canceled. That said, let's move on to one-time payments. One-time payments are very easy because there you don't need to do anything in Stripe. All you need to do is like add product and then select Stripe and one-time and click Save and Next. And you can say again like what should be visible on the product page or on the order page actually, and give it a price, $197, price display, $197 one time. So that's the price that's going to be visible. That's what's going to be listed on the credit card bill. And here you would select if it's an order bump product. So if it's an order bump, you just select this and it will make it an order bump product, but it has to be the last product you add. That's the important thing here. Now, if we walk through the rest of the settings, we just click Save and Next, and you will see the next thing that comes up is actually fulfillment email. If you use this fulfillment email, the email will be sent from Clickfunnels, so it will not come from your email address. However, it's an easy and convenient way to deliver people like, okay, here's the link for the download, for example. Yeah, so it's up to you to use it or not. You can pick like a membership area or thank you page, but actually that's not needed. And you can say save and next. In that case, I actually left the fulfillment email. Let's go back and disable it. So, and after that you come to the so-called follow-up actions, which means you can do something with your integrations. Now, if you have, for example, ActiveCampaign will show up here. If you, like I have, like Actionetics, then Actionetics will show up here, and then you can pick any of the actions that you would also have available. So based on the purchase of this product, I can add people to a specific list, and I can do the same with MailChimp. I can add them to a list or remove them for a list. And here I can select if they need to confirm, like an opt-in. Obviously, since it's so since this is an order confirmation email that I'm probably gonna send them, so there's gonna be a list that's called like product A order confirmation, and it only has one automation attached to like thank you for your order. For example, here's the link to the members area where you can, I don't know, watch your videos, download this, download that. So obviously there you don't need like please confirm your subscription. You don't need the confirmation emails, because it's not marketing emails that you're sending, it is an order confirmation. Now that said, that's about automations. Go back to the MacBook and you'll see there's also, for example, my Twilio US phone number integrated, so I could also send text messages when people order. That would require me to ask them for a phone number, of course, to send to. In that case, I don't want to use an automation. And then we go further and we see shipping integrations where you can pick from Kunaki, Disk Delivered, and whatever shipping integration you add, which could be ShipStation or Shopify, in order to automate the shipping. This is crucial if you build a funnel, for example, for a product that you have in your Shopify store, or if you build a funnel for a product that you have within Amazon fulfillment, because you can connect, for example, Shopify to Amazon, and then like Clickfunnels gets the order, it's created in Shopify like a native order, and is then forwarded by Shopify to Amazon fulfillment, so it actually gets delivered to the customer. So that's very useful here. And then the last step is actually the affiliate section. If you are on the $297 plan, or so the Edison Suite, or the $297 or higher Actionetics MD, that offers you the backpack feature to run your affiliate programs within Clickfunnels, then you could pick here your affiliate commission plan that you set up and say that this product allows actually or accepts or grants commission. And that's pretty much it. And then you say save and next or save and close, doesn't really matter. Save and next brings you to a summary showing you whatever you set up, and then you say return to product list, and that is pretty much it. Now again, the only tricky thing here is to set up like your to set up your subscriptions first in Stripe. There, check the Clickfunnels Help Center. There is a tutorial on how to do that. Other than that, reach out to Stripe support to get help with that. It's not the topic of this video, that's why I'm not covering it here. Eventually, I will make a more in-depth tutorial as part of my Clickfunnels setup series. But for today, this should like pretty much like tell you the basics on how to add products to Clickfunnels. Of course, it requires you to set up your payment integrations, but that's actually really not rocket science. As an entrepreneur, be an entrepreneur, solve problems, go to the Clickfunnels Help Center and enter, for example, Stripe in the search, and you will find a detailed tutorial on how to integrate Stripe. PayPal is a little bit different thing, but there's also a tutorial on that in the Clickfunnels Help Center. So that will actually help you get the integration set up. Or again, like eventually later this week, my new playlist should be finished with showing you the Clickfunnels setup, and there eventually will also be a video that walks you through those processes, and you'll be shocked how easy it is to set up your Stripe account. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope this video helped some of you that haven't had to deal with product. Again, you can only add products at order pages or upsells and downsells. One last thing we might want to cover real quick: when you have a downsell page, we're gonna go to the MacBook and you edit the page. I didn't add a product yet to that downsell page, so that's one of the things. You will have a button for people to buy the upsell, and then you will go to set action, and here instead of like no product setup, it will show you like pick a product. So you could actually have multiple buttons for multiple different products on your upsell. So it would be like, okay, you can either pick this or you can pick that, and depending on what person chooses, it will charge or like issue or follow the flow of a different product. Now, what's important, if you don't want a button, because you saw here under set action, you could say like that's the no link button. But if you don't want a button, but you want to have it as text like here so that it's smaller, you just need to use hashtag no-link as the destination of that link, and it will automatically become the link that works as the no link when people decline your up or down sell. So that's the last thing. I hope this helped you a little bit with your Clickfunnels account and your success with Clickfunnels. If you have any questions about it, again, check out my other videos in the channel, or just comment below, join our Facebook group, ask questions there. Like, there's a million ways to reach out to me and get help. And yeah, there's also the Clickfunnels Help Center. Don't forget that. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow with another episode of Super Califfunnalistic. Till then, bye-bye.